Hello, this is Luke from Sunset Hill Stoneware. Today I'm going to show you how to center on the potter's wheel. Centering is important as it will provide you control for the entire throwing process. Sunset Hill Stoneware is a production pottery, so our processes may differ from traditional training. During this video series, we will be creating one of our popular steins called Tom's Taster, named after our founder. To start, you'll notice that we use a base clay to prevent cracking on our mugs. During centering, the wheel moves at full speed. The first thing I do is put the clay slug down and add water. Adding water makes the clay easier to manipulate. The next step is to cone the clay slug upwards, squeezing my hands to bring it up. This moves the clay towards the center and makes it more malleable. Then I cone the clay back down. This aligns the clay particles to make sure we have a smooth consistency. Centering is important because if you do not do this step, your clay will not be centered and will cause future issues. This has been Luke for Sunset Hill Stoneware. Check out our other videos for further steps on the throwing process.